Are you looking for the best triple monitor stand? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best triple monitor stand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Huanuo Triple Monitor Mount. The Huanuo Triple Monitor Mount is a versatile and ergonomic solution designed to support 3 monitors ranging from 17 to 32 inches, each weighing up to 17.6 pounds. This mount features gas spring arms that allow for smooth adjustments, enabling users to tilt, swivel, and rotate each monitor independently to achieve optimal viewing angles and reduce neck and back strain. The arms support both landscape and portrait orientations, providing flexibility for various tasks. Installation is straightforward with 2 mounting options: a C-clamp for desks up to 3.15 inches thick and a grommet mount for desks with a thickness between 0.39 to 3.15 inches. The mount is constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and stability. Additionally, it includes integrated cable management to keep cords organized and out of sight, contributing to a cleaner workspace. This triple monitor mount is an excellent choice for professionals, gamers, and multitaskers seeking to enhance their productivity and workspace ergonomics. Number 2. TechOrbits Universal Desk Mount. The TechOrbits Universal Desk Mount for triple monitors is a versatile and space-saving solution designed to enhance your workspace by accommodating 3 monitors ranging from 13 to 30 inches. This mount supports VESER 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm patterns, making it compatible with a wide array of monitors. Equipped with smart SWIVEL technology, the mount features articulating gas spring arms that allow for full motion, enabling you to tilt, swivel, and rotate each monitor independently. This flexibility ensures optimal viewing angles and minimizes glare, enhancing your overall viewing experience. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum, the mount is designed to hold monitors up to 20 pounds per arm, providing sturdy support. Its sleek silver finish adds a modern touch to any desk setup. Installation is straightforward, and the mount includes all necessary hardware for both clamp and grommet mounting options. Walmart.com. Ideal for professionals, gamers, and multitaskers, the TechOrbits Triple Monitor Desk Mount helps declutter your desk by elevating your monitors, freeing up valuable workspace for other essentials. Whether you're working on complex tasks, engaging in immersive gaming sessions, or managing multiple applications simultaneously, this mount offers the flexibility and support needed to boost productivity and comfort. Number 3. StarTech Desk Mount. The StarTech.com Desk Mount Triple Monitor Arm with Crossbar is a robust and ergonomic solution designed to support 3 27-inch monitors, each weighing up to 13.2 pounds, 6 kilograms. This mount features a spring-assisted arm with tool-less adjustments, allowing for effortless positioning of monitors with plus or minus 15 degrees swivel, plus 5-15 degree tilt, and 360 degrees rotation between portrait and landscape orientations. The crossbar design ensures synchronized motion across all 3 monitors, with micro-height adjustment screws on the VESER plates enabling precise alignment for a seamless visual experience. Installation is versatile, offering both C-clamp and grommet mounting options suitable for desks up to 3.1 inches, 80 mm thick. Additionally, the mount includes integrated cable management channels to keep workspace clutter to a minimum. Ideal for professionals requiring an expansive and adjustable multi-monitor setup, this mount enhances productivity and comfort in various work environments. Number 4. Fellows Platinum Series Arm. The Fellows Platinum Series Triple Monitor Arm is a high-quality ergonomic solution designed to support 3 27-inch monitors, each weighing up to 15.4 pounds. This mount features fully independent arms with innovative gas spring technology, allowing for effortless adjustment and optimal positioning of each monitor. With a height range of 6 inch to 17 and a reach of 27.75, it offers flexibility to accommodate various desk setups and user preferences. The arms provide 360 degrees rotation and plus or minus 45 degrees tilt, enabling users to achieve the ideal viewing angles. Installation is straightforward with the quick-fit VESER plate, and the mount can be secured using either a clamp or grommet, making it compatible with desks up to 4.7 inch thick. Additionally, the base includes two USB 3.0 ports for convenient connectivity and charging of devices. An integrated cable management system helps keep cords organized and out of sight, contributing to a cleaner workspace. This monitor arm is backed by a 5-year limited warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and support. Number 5. Ars Wing Wall Mount. The Ars Wing Wall Mount monitor arm is a robust and versatile solution designed to support ultra-wide monitors ranging from 17 to 49 inches, with a maximum weight capacity of 44 pounds. This heavy-duty single monitor mount is equipped with a fully adjustable gas spring system, allowing for smooth and precise positioning of your display. The arm offers a tilt range of plus 50 degrees to minus 20 degrees, 180 degrees swivel, and 360 degrees rotation, providing flexibility to achieve optimal viewing angles. It is compatible with Vaser 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm mounting patterns, ensuring broad compatibility with various monitor models. The wall-mounted design helps to free up desk space, contributing to a cleaner and more organized workspace. Whether for gaming, professional work, or general use, the Ars Wing Wall Mount monitor arm offers a sturdy and adaptable mounting solution for large ultra-wide monitors.